guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm wanting to do a festival makeup look. It's going to be quite simple and easy but also very pretty to do, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup for a festival and what I do to make it last long. If you haven't already, please hit that little subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications for when I post videos. Thank you so much for clicking on my little video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So obviously, number one rule whenever you're going to a festival, especially a daytime festival, sunscreen. Please do not forget sunscreen. Whether it is just on your face or on your body, please put sunscreen on. So I have already put sunscreen on. My moisturizer has a SPF factor in it. One of the other rules that we follow to let our makeup last as long as possible, especially during the day, is primer. So I'm going to be using the Smashbox primerizer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And whenever I think of festival makeup, I think of very glowy, beautiful bronzed up skin. So even though it is winter and I'm very pale, I am going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream, and this is the gold one. And I'm just going to be applying it on the high points of my face. Next, I'm going to be using some setting spray. This is the Switch Beauty Superhero Spray Gloss Skin Edition. And I'm just going to be spraying that all over my face. And I don't know why, but I love the festival looks where you have very I want to say like more natural looking skin but glowy skin, and it looks all bronzed up. I love that look. And then you put like a beautiful color on your eyes or lots of gems or something like that. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 180. And this foundation is actually medium coverage, so it's very nice to use if you don't want like an extreme amount of coverage and you just want to look a bit more natural. And this is obviously also a long wear foundation, so it'll stay on for long and it'll look really nice as well. Next, I'm going to go in with a hydrating concealer, and this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes and anywhere where I feel like I need more coverage. Next, I'm going to be cream contouring, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream, and I'm using the shade Fair. I'm then going to go in with a cream blush, and this is the LA Girl Velvet Blush stick, and it's in the shade Velour. And I'm just going to take my sponge and just put a bit on the sponge and buff that onto my skin. I think using a cream blush, it definitely creates a much more natural look to your skin, and it doesn't look so harsh. Next, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, And I'm not going to be baking or anything. I'm just going to put it under my eyes just to set that concealer. And anywhere else where I put concealer, I'm going to set with the powder. Okay, I'm going to go and do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add a few fake freckles. So I'm going to be using my brow pencil for that, and you can honestly use anything. There are so many different ways that you can draw on freckles. You can use pencils, you can use gels, paint pots, powders, anything really. And I'm just going to do a few fake freckles on my cheeks and a little bit on top of my nose here. So I'm going to be moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm literally only using one color out of this whole palette, and that is this color over here, and it is called Rusted, and I'm literally applying that all over my eye. That's all I'm doing. I'm also going to be taking this goldish color that's next to the orange, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Told you guys it's going to be very simple. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my top lashes. So I'm just taking a MAC eyeliner, and this is in the shade Graph Black. Next, I'm going to do my mascara, and I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And while I'm waiting for that mascara to dry, I'm just going to do a bit more of contouring just to bronze up my skin a bit. So I'm going to be using the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and I'm just going to lightly dab it where we did that cream contour. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is the Kilowatt highlighters in the two shades Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal, and they look like this. And I'm literally just going to be using my finger to apply this. And now I'm going to be applying lashes. I'm going to be using the Velour Accents in number 5. So next I'm going to be putting on some gems. And I've got, like, as you can see, this was a skull. And then this is also something that I bought for another festival, but I didn't end up using it because I felt like it was a bit much. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out from these little gems. I'm gonna like cut them out and then stick them on. I actually really like that. I don't know if I want to add more. I think it looks so nice because it's so like simple as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I think it looks really nice. It looks cute. So for lips, I'm not gonna do anything like too hectic, so I'm just gonna stick to using a nude lipstick. So I'm going to be using my MAC lip pencil in Soar to line my lips. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Liply. And then I am going to top all of that off with my Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in the shade Golden Parachute. And lastly, I'm just going to use some setting spray to set all of that in place and make sure it lasts all day. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel Insta Fix and Glow 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it and that you really enjoyed watching this. I think it turned out so nice. I love the little gems that I put there, and I've also never used this color on my eye before. I think it turned out really pretty. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I would really appreciate it, and also hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.